Oh boy, SA's Lekker Fam, do we have something awesome for you. We are officially launching our community and it's your chance to come and chat live to us on Zoom. We're breaking down exactly how it works, how you can earn affiliate commission, yes, just by being social, and why this community is about income and impact. Yes, we give back to local charities too. No pressure, no fluff, just real answers to your real questions. But this Zoom is a limited spots only, and once it's done, it's done. So if you've been watching from the sidelines, this is your sign. Come and join us, click down the link below, and stay lekker.